Hello guys, today is 1st of October and I'm on the walk down the street. It's nice sunrise here, so nice. Sky. Maybe I do some pictures. And here are those two new houses. Maybe someone bought them. That's really nice. This sunrise. I mean, sunset. And here's me. No makeup. Look terrible. Nice. I really like it. Okay, see you later. Sky. Have to vlog more.
No. Too much.
No, lately I didn't do much. So we're coming from shopping. Today is 3rd or 4th of October. And it's nice 3 colors. As it's fall in Massachusetts. Near 60 something, and here's yellow home. Yeah, today is nice weather. And we were shopping, and then we would do Home Depot.
Oh yeah, we went to Home Depot today. On purpose.
Yeah. Slow driver.
Hang on.
Drivers. Hello guys, today is 6th of October. We have some leaves in the yard and many acorns. We have to clean it. Outfit of the day, hoodie from Victoria's Secret, pink. Cold now. Coat from Colombia. I mean jacket. And leggings from Victoria's Secret.
Make me laugh.
What?
How many shoes you get on? It's not that cold though. 70 degrees out.
But I'm cold.
You send them with your ass?
What? Metal bowl broke. I mean, before it was from wood and then broke. So now it's metal. Progress. Still some things to put away. This might put in basement to the front closet from IKEA. And here is that hanging organizer. This one was heavy for the wooden rod. And it's here broke. Here and here. But this one is metal, so I hope it will be enough. Here I have leggings, and in the here I put some joggers and hoodies. I roll them in the roll to see colors. And here sweaters. Here also hoodies. And here I have also some leggings. Have to organize it more. And we're also another. Here I have bags and backpacks. And on this side I have hanging clothes, some hoodies and winter coats. Here. And here I have to put more like bags and shoes. Also bare beans. Still have some here to organize. Here is end effect. Things are organized on this. Coats, jeans. Here. Leggings. Joggers and hoodies. Here are two coats. And here are some hoodies, joggers, pants. Okay. This have to unbox. Yeah, it's like workout. I'm all sweaty.